Hello and welcome to this Dividend Token tutorial on how to create a DVD token wallet. Now this will be a step-by-step tutorial, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below and we'll be more than happy to answer you as soon as possible. So the first step we're going to be doing is we're going to go to Google Chrome. The reason we go to Google Chrome is because they have a Metamask extension that we need to download in order for our wallet to be connected to some of the exchanges. Now this is not necessary in order to buy. You can also use Trust Wallet, but if you wanted to use it where you can kind of like also spend your DVDs, whether trade them for BNBs or just hold them, you can create it on Metamask. So go first to Metamask like this. Type in Metamask extension on Google Chrome. And then when you click it, you'll click download or install. And then you should have it just like this. Come over here and then you're going to click it and then just kind of like just say, okay, approve. And it should link to an email address. Now, if you don't have an email address like a Google email address, a Gmail, then you have to create one. Other than that, you should be good to go. You create your wallet or your Metamask wallet. That is an extension. And now you're ready to connect the Binance Main network. Now, because DVD coin is a Binance Smart Chain run coin, that makes it needing to get off the Ethereum mainnet and get onto a different one. Now you cannot do that by simply scrolling down. So what you have to do is you have to actually click right here on the circle on the top right. And then let me make that big. Or actually I'll keep it the way it is. That way we can always see this. And we'll go right here. Like I said, do this, settings, and then you'll scroll down to networks, and then you'll scroll down to add network. You'll go right here. And now you have to fill in these options. Now, the reason why I have these two tabs open next to each other is because if I click on a different tab, this will close out this MetaMask extension opening. And so I want to keep that because I need to write down some information. So the first thing I will write down will be Binance Mainnet. So you have to add Binance Mainnet there. You can name it whatever you want, but this is just preference based on what everyone out there is doing. So that way, you know, everyone knows, okay, this is what that is as a Binance Main. And now the RPC URL can be found by going onto Binance on Google Chrome. You'll type in Binance space mainnet space RPC. Once you type that in, you'll click on it and that will lead you here. And now you have the info you need. Now don't be overwhelmed here. This is nothing, okay? You have to copy literally two things. So you'll copy this. I'll go right here and I'll copy it and I'll add it here. See? It says recommended, and then I'll go right here where it says chain ID, and there's a chain ID right there. It's not all of it, it's just the 0 times 38. So you'll take that and you'll add that here. And now you'll add the symbol as BNB. And then you don't have to add anything on Block Explorer URL. You'll click save. Okay. Now that it's saved, we go right here. And it says not connected. Fantastic. Let's try that again. Okay, not yet. So let's just make sure we got everything right. Oh, and it automatically changed that. So you can change that back to 3.8. If it doesn't connect, you can change it back and then save. And then it should work now. Okay. So we're going to just hop on to the Ethereum network and come back here to Binance Mainnet. And now that we got that figured out, even though it doesn't say connected right over here, let's see, does it say connected? Not yet. Okay, so it doesn't say connected, but here's what we're going to do is we're going to go to Pancake Swap because it's just not linked to a website, I believe. So that's what that means. Is it linked currently to a different site? So this is Pancake Swap. I'll click connect. I'll click Metamask wallet, and then it looked like it had you see that little one right there? It says that there's something. Okay, so they want me to approve this connection. I'll approve it, and then voila, should be good to go. Let me try to pop that in. Good to go, and here we go. Boom, connected. Okay, so now that it's connected and everything's good to go, obviously you don't have to use this, but if you do want to use Pancake Swap, you can. You just go to trade, exchange, and you can select currency and you'll add the currency Okay, so you can add the currency. Let me see. So you can paste the address here and add a new one. And the address will be called the DVD contract ID in the description below. So in this video, you can check below in the description. You'll see DVD contract ID. That's a link. You copy that, you paste it right here. And I'll do the same right now. So here we go. I pasted it and it said no results found, but then, oh, there we go. It says DVD import. And you say, I understand, import it, and there we go. You can exchange that, or you can do this, right? Exchange your DVDs into BNBs. And you can actually take out money, liquidate your BNB position, your DVD position, whatever you want. So now that we've connected the coin, we want to go back to Metamask and we want to click on add token. And we'll add the token address, the same address in the description below. It will be called DVD contract ID in the description. Copy that and paste it, and it'll automatically add this for you. And there you go. You say add token, and now this is currently my balance. And as you can see, the rest of the coins in circulation have been moved out into other accounts. That way we remove them from circulation and only leave 100 billion in circulation. And only dump that over the next 3 years in very small increments. That way we never cause a major fluctuation in price or crash the coin. And there we go. Now you have this coin. If you want someone to send you any DVDs, you simply copy this account right here and you're good to go. And that's it. Now you have DVD coins if you want. And if you want to go ahead and trade those, like I said, you just go right here, boom, trade it to BNB. So I hope this video was informative. The next video will be on how to buy DVD on Pancake Swap, and we'll do that video next. But until then, if you have any questions about DVD, the team, or what our goals are, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Also, we look forward to releasing our white paper and our roadmap. Other than that, thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time.